Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a realistic date and booking the venue. Secure the deposit so the foundation is firm. Once the space is locked, define 3 core objectives, what success looks like, and identify your target audience because programming follows that choice. Make a preliminary budget now, line items for AV, catering, staff, and a 10% contingency. This prevents last-minute shortcuts. Do these first steps immediately. They give you leverage for negotiations and a clear decision framework going forward. You now build the program, group sessions into agenda blocks, and assign realistic 15 to 20-minute slots so transitions stay tight. Once the agenda stabilizes, lock detailed logistics, AV specs, floor plan, stage timing, signage, and accessibility routes, because vendors quote from specs. Simultaneously set ticket tiers and a clear registration flow. Map promo dates and reporting cadence so you know sales momentum. Make sure to coordinate rehearsals and supplier deadlines. Delays here multiply and derail the timeline quickly. You finish by executing a strict closeout. Run the final checklist 7 days out and reconfirm vendors, permits, and staffing levels so there are no surprises. Once confirmed, do a full on-site run-through. Assign clear roles, radios, and emergency contacts. This reduces confusion when pressure rises. After the event, complete finance reconciliation, distribute surveys, and write a concise lessons log so next time is easier. If something goes wrong, escalate to your designated backup vendor immediately and follow the contingency chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.